Hey guys, so 2 days back there was an announcement from Director IIT Bombay. So IIT Bombay is conducting the GATE 2021. So an announcement was released. So here I have taken the actual image of that announcement so we can read it from here. So it says announcement for new subject papers in GATE 2021. So here it is mentioning that in GATE 2021 there are some new subjects, and it further says that it is being conducted by IIT Bombay. Then the two new papers that are being included in GATE 2021 are, one is environmental science and the second one is humanities and social sciences. So these papers are being included in the next year. So until now humanities didn't have a GATE exam, so that is a very good move for that particular field. And then it further goes on to say that these can be used for taking admission in master's program and in PhD programs also in IITs and other major universities. And after that there is one more major part in this notification, that is that the third year college students are also allowed to write GATE exam. So these are the major parts of this announcement. So in the last 2 days we came across many questions like what is the weightage change, what are the actual changes or syllabus changes that are going to take place, if the competition in these exams will increase or it will be difficult to prepare, what will be the difficulty level. So all these questions are coming from you all. So in this video we will try to demystify these questions. So first part of this notification, as we read, that there are two new papers. First one is humanities and social science. So if you are from engineering field, then it is not useful for you. Then the other one is environmental science and engineering. So people those who are from civil engineering, we are more familiar with environmental science and engineering already because we have at least two subjects related to this exam. Now this will be relevant for civil engineering students. So people who are writing GATE in civil engineering can also opt for writing the GATE in environmental science and engineering based on the syllabus. Right now we do not know the syllabus, what exactly will be the syllabus of this exam, but it is likely that this syllabus will be similar. So similar patterns have been seen for other branches also, that is people who write GATE from electronics and communication, they can also write from electrical engineering or vice versa. The opposite can also work because the syllabus in both these streams are similar. Similarly, the people who write GATE in mechanical engineering also can write GATE in engineering sciences because again the syllabus is somewhat similar. I mean it can be prepared simultaneously. So in this case this will be possible for people from civil engineering background. They can also prepare for environmental sciences at the same time while they are preparing for civil engineering. So you can choose two subjects for writing GATE. That's what it means with this part of the notification. Then the other part is that the third year students can also appear for GATE. It was also the case some time back, not exactly in the recent times, but around 8-9 years back. Third year students could also write for GATE exam. So this is also a welcome move because you will have an opportunity to write this exam even while you are in third year, and by final year if you don't score well in your third year, then you will definitely have a chance to write it again in your final year, so that the chances for taking a drop should reduce with the help of this. Then other information apart from this, that what we have received so far is the exam date. So these are the dates. I mean we already know that GATE is generally conducted in February. So these are the dates on which GATE will be conducted. Now the exact dates will further be notified by the official site. Now other than this, there is no more official update. There is no update about the exact syllabus, or there is no update about what all combinations of branches will be possible. So we will have to wait for that, and as the notifications come out, we'll definitely come and inform you people about it. Now, my friend Palam will take some of the doubts that are asked by you people related to this notification.
Thank you, Aditya, for giving the GATE 2021 update. So, few students have some queries like, will the competition increase, or it's like how useful it is for third years and what changes, and is there like two new papers are introduced? What are they? So, these are some queries we have been getting. So, one important thing is some people are asking if two new subjects are introduced and what is the weightage and all that. So, that is not true. Two subjects are not introduced. There are two papers which are introduced, like Aditya told. So we have two new papers now. One is environmental science and another is humanities. So this might be more useful for civil engineering people. As per the message from Director IIT Bombay, he has told that you can appear for two papers, but what is the combination that will be announced soon. So as such we are expecting that civil engineering students can also write this environmental science, because already civil engineering has a subject called environmental engineering, and that is asked every year for at least for about 10 marks. So maybe they will expand that syllabus, or what is the syllabus, that we'll have to wait and see. But it could be similar, and it could be that civil engineering students can write both civil engineering and environmental science. We do not expect any change for civil engineering syllabus, so this is going to remain the same. Syllabus mostly it will remain the same, and as such this recruitment, like PSUs take some graduate engineering trainees through GATE civil engineering score, and IITs, NITs, and some colleges for MTech, they also take through this GATE civil engineering score. So because this new paper has been introduced, nothing much will change. But what can happen is there are in IIT Bombay for environment there is a separate department. So these departments can choose to take students through GATE ES score. In most of the colleges, like in other IITs and NITs, environment comes under civil engineering itself. So they might still be taking through GATE civil engineering itself, but maybe these separate departments they could be taking through this. But these are all not told yet by anyone. So these are some of the predictions, but this is what could happen. As such, one need not worry too much, because for GATE civil engineering, this part is going to remain the same no matter what. You can continue your preparation how we are doing, nothing changes for you. Now coming to the other thing, it is right now they are saying that even third years can appear. So how useful it is for third years? So earlier, before I think around 20, before in 2011 types or before that, so third years were also eligible to appear for GATE, but only in the in between 8-9 years, only final years were eligible to appear for GATE. Now they are going back to this model where even third years can appear. This is actually a very good opportunity. So what happens is people generally think about their career in fourth year, and then they think they can appear for GATE. So after that, if they don't do, they take a drop and then again prepare for GATE. But why waste this? Why should anyone even take a drop? If someone is sincere, they can give it in third year, and if it doesn't work out, they can again improve their score in fourth year. So without dropping, you get two chances. So that is a very good opportunity for, especially for third years. So what happens is when a third year guy, it is only useful for those who are very sincere. Someone who is just attempting for the sake of attempting, it's not gonna be of any use. So what a sincere third year guy can do is he can take this GATE exam in his third year. Let's say he gets a good rank. Let's say you get a good rank. Now in your final year, you are free to choose whatever you want. Let's say you got somewhere in college placements also, then you can choose between it, and it gives you a lot of freedom. Let's say you don't get a good score. So what you do is you give another attempt. Maybe this could be your final attempt and you give it very sincerely. So again, if you get a good rank, so again all the opportunities open up to you. If you don't get a good score also, what would happen in 2 years? You would have studied lot of technical subjects. So this is going to be of great use to you, not only for other exams, but even in placements and even for other exams. For so many things, it's going to come of use. So this is for third years. Now a lot of people are asking us, will the competition increase or what will change? Because many people are going to appear from third year. Now will everything change? Like, will the competition increase twofold? Just because third years are appearing, let's say the same amount of third years appear, will the competition become twofold? No, that will definitely not be the case. The competition will remain more or less the same. There could be a slight increase, like you could expect a very small increase. Now, just because third years are appearing, like the number of sincere aspirants, so that's what we should always look for. Even though the total number of people giving GATE might increase, the number of sincere aspirants will not increase by the same rate. There could be a small increase in rate, but due to the current pandemic situation, this could also come down a bit, or it could be also that because a lot of offline coaching centers are closed, so there are some people who are only comfortable studying offline. They don't like this online things and they are trying to shift. So people who had planned to go to offline coaching and give a sincere attempt might not choose to prepare at all. So the number of sincere aspirants in that aspect could go down, but some third years appearing it could increase. So like that, these things get balanced out over time. So as such, one need not worry about the competition increase, and you should focus on preparing consistently, revising consistently, and try to get a good rank. So your aim is to score as high as possible. Don't set a limit like, okay, let me score 60 marks or let me score 70 marks. So those type of things don't work because the paper difficulty also changes. So this is about the update, and more information like what will be the syllabus for environmental science and when can one apply, all that we'll have to wait for the information in GATE IIT Bombay website. It will be updated. So far it is just an announcement, but a formal notification should come soon where you will have the information brochure and more information. As soon as it comes, we will definitely release one more video and update in our blog section as well. I will leave you with one more information. So there are people who are looking to prepare through our courses. So for either you are preparing for GATE or ESC or even for state exams, we have basic course and we have premium course. So right now we have a 50% offer running. So if you are looking to prepare and want to start your preparation, so you can go ahead and make use of this 50% discount. You do not have to apply any coupon code. Directly when you go to this package, basic or premium, this you can find either in our app or you can go to our courses website, which is learn.apscd.in. We'll give the links in the description also. Go to this app or go to our website. Once you log in, you'll find this basic and premium study package. No need to apply a separate coupon code. We have already applied the discount for you, and this discount is there till August 2nd. So those who are looking to prepare can make use of this 50% discount. Thank you everyone for watching this update.